In today's ultra-fast communication networks, even a speck of dust on a fiber optic connector can mean lost data, signal degradation, or network system failure. That's why cleaning fiber end faces isn't just important, it's critical. But not all cleaning methods are created equal. Manual tools have limits. They leave room for human error that could potentially damage end faces. Automated end face cleaning with the Pro360 Touchless Cleaner changes everything, with a revolutionary, contact-free clean powered by specialized cleaning fluid and fluid dynamics. At the heart of the Pro360's cleaning operation is its specialized cleaning fluid, designed to break down and flush away dust, oil, and static fast. Powered by physics, this fluid achieves peak performance through the Coanda effect, where liquid flows along curved surfaces instead of breaking away. The Pro360 turns this principle into a powerful, touchless cleaning advantage. A microburst of high-purity cleaning fluid is injected into a high-velocity airstream. The fluid instantly atomizes, cleaning every curve of the connector, breaking down dust, oil, and static on the full 360 degrees of the end face. Immediately after the microburst of cleaning fluid, a focused jet of clean air dries the end face. As the fluid evaporates, it carries away the contamination or disperses it to areas where any remaining trace amounts pose no risk. The result? A fast, reliable, contact-free clean every time. Compared to manual methods, automated fiber optic connector cleaning is faster, more consistent, and more protective of your delicate fiber optic end faces. For high-density networks and high-value connections, the Pro360 delivers the future of automated fiber optic cleaning, powered by physics, not fingers. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.